high school, when I was in first form, I remember clearly as a freshman when Mr. Alex Nunez was my teacher and he asked us for a task and he told us, why don't you guys all write down your name and what you guys want to be in the future? And I was like, okay. I was clueless at the time. And many wrote they wanted to be international basketball players, they wanted to be models, they wanted to be all that good stuff when you're at first form. I honestly wrote that I wanted to be a celebrity. That's what I wanted to be. Well, it didn't work out that way, but it's kind of cool how my job just leaded up to a graphic designer. And well, later on in high school, when I reached about third form, I started to like more business. And I was like, I can make money out of this. Well, exactly. I bet many of you are thinking of that right now. Well, I still didn't know what I wanted to be, but I kept the celebrity status idea in my head. And well, let me see. I had my colleagues who are your teachers right now. I had Miss Andrea in my class. I had Miss Giselle, and as well my co-worker, who's my camera lady today, Miss Sophia. And I had my homeroom teacher, who I love so dearly, is Miss Iris, she's right over there. And I had the best principal ever, Mr. Anthony. During my sixth form years, I was still working there, and I noticed this newspaper called Hamburgers Today newspaper, and I got really intrigued by it, with the photographs, the articles, and I saw all these beautiful girls, and as well my boss right now, Dorian Nunez, in pictures. I'm like, I want to be in that newspaper one day. And I told my ex-boss, someday I'm going to be in that newspaper. As a graphic designer, I get to have an interaction with my customers, and using my imagination, I get to express myself and use their ideas and form an even bigger idea for them to see and display to many viewers outside, even if it's on a billboard sign, or if it's just on a piece of paper, or online now. And that's what I used to do when we were on paper. Then a year ago, we went green. Does everybody know going green, the saying going green? Do you do? Alright, perfect. Well, that's in right now, and we gotta save our environment. And well, we took the first step as the first online newspaper here in San Pedro, and we're doing very awesome with Belize and San Pedro being known nationally and internationally.